welcome to our channel. Join us as we explore the intricate world of transport operations. Today, we'll highlight the expertise and precision required to move massive machinery and oversized loads, showcasing extraordinary engineering achievements. The NASA Crawler Transporter is an impressive engineering marvel, weighing approximately 2,721 tons and spanning 40 meters in length and 35 meters in width. Its maximum speed, 1.6 kilometers per hour when loaded, reflects its heavy-duty purpose and precision in transporting space vehicles. The installation of the Carpenter's Land Bridge in Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park demonstrated modern engineering, using cranes, specialized machinery, and precise coordination to complete the 350-ton, 66-meter structure within 12 hours on Christmas Day. Saren successfully transported a 150-ton, 105-meter C3 splitter over 47 kilometers, overcoming urban obstacles like power lines and traffic. A 20-member team used a 64-axle SPMT, moving at 3.5 kilometers per hour to ensure safe passage. The BNSF military train efficiently transports essential military equipment, showcasing exceptional logistics capabilities. With the ability to carry loads up to 100 tons per rail car, it ensures timely and safe delivery of critical resources across vast distances. Before transporting, cargo companies conduct surveys, measure load, and submit data for approvals. Traffic may be stopped and bridges removed, but companies like Omega Morgan ensure nothing is damaged, even when moving 400-ton loads through narrow streets. Triton Transport Services successfully hauled Latorno L2350. The L2350 features a massive 40.5 cubic meter bucket capacity and can lift 72,574 kilograms, allowing it to load an ultra-class Terex MT6300 in just 5 passes and approximately 3 minutes. The XXL Transformer Transport in Pulheim involved moving an 800-ton transformer for the energy sector. This operation required specialized equipment, route planning, and coordination among agencies to ensure safe passage through urban infrastructure. This video showcases the heavy haul transportation of a 235-ton LPG storage tank, highlighting specialized trailers, precise route planning, engineering ingenuity, and safety measures to ensure a smooth and successful delivery. The driver's skill in maneuvering a giant turbine blade, weighing over 60 tons and extending 70 meters, is truly impressive. Navigating sharp turns and crowded roads, their precision and driving expertise showcase the remarkable blend of machine power and human ingenuity. This video captures the exciting first step of a 50-ton Kobelco SK500's journey. The dedication of the heavy haul team in enabling progress is commendable, and watching them skillfully maneuver this massive machine onto a lowboy trailer is truly impressive. An oversized KC-135 Strato tanker is being transported for the United States Air Force School of Aerospace Medicine. This impressive operation showcases logistical expertise in moving the 153-foot-long aircraft for aeromedical evacuation training at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Ohio. Edwards Moving and Rigging specializes in transporting oversized items, including components weighing over 500 tons. The Goldhofer hydraulic platform trailers, with advanced steering capabilities, ensure safe and efficient handling of these massive loads during transit. A trailer extinguished a semi-fire in Lake Township, Ohio, showcasing efficient firefighting. The trailer measures 28 feet long and plays a vital role in handling massive loads. Mammoet upgraded the Chesterfield substation, ensuring a reliable power supply and a brighter future. Canyon Hauling and Rigging, renowned for heavy haulage expertise, successfully transported a 60-ton silo from New York to Indiana. This impressive operation showcased their ability to handle oversized cargo, with seasoned drivers, making the task look effortless despite the silo's size.